Elon Musk has confirmed that Tesla is not going to delay production of the new models anymore. It's all due to the completion of the massive Gigafactory in Texas, as well as finally getting a Model Y production factory in Berlin, Germany. Since it's now official, let's have a look at what new models are expected to hit the roads very soon. Tesla Cybertruck. When Elon Musk unveiled the angular Cybertruck, nobody was quite prepared for what we were about to witness. The stainless steel exterior of Tesla's all-electric truck is scratch and dent resistant, and its sharp edges make it a tough vehicle to drive in rough terrain. While Tesla had previously stated that the truck's production would be delayed numerous times, CEO Elon Musk stated this month that the truck would be available in 2023. The Cybertruck will be available in 3 configurations as of now: 1, 2, and 3 electric motors. All-wheel drive is available on the 2 and 3 motor models. However, rear-wheel drive will only be available on the single-motor truck. In addition, Tesla claims that the base model will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 110 miles per hour. According to Tesla, the dual-motor Cybertruck can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 120 miles per hour. And the top-of-the-line 3-motor version can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of 130 miles per hour. All Cybertrucks will come equipped with an adjustable air suspension that allows for ground clearance of up to 16 inches, which can be increased or decreased. However, the size of the batteries used to power Tesla's electric pickup still has not been disclosed. Of course, Tesla's huge network of superchargers will be available for the new vehicle. According to Tesla, a single motor can go 250 miles or more, while a twin motor can travel for 300 miles or more, and a tri-motor system can travel for more than 500 miles over a single charge. According to all the expectations, the price of the car will range between $39,900 and $69,900. However, the priority of delivery will be given to the more expensive variants in the beginning. The Tesla semi-truck. Elon Musk revealed in November of 2017 that the fully electric Tesla semi-truck would enter the commercial transportation business. In terms of range, economy, operational costs, and performance, the Semi is superior to all traditional oil guzzlers. However, the Semi's power and torque numbers have not been released by Tesla yet. On the other hand, the rear axles have been confirmed to have a quad-motor setup, 4 electric motors in the back of the tractor body type 6.4, 6 axles, 4 powered wheels, transport huge freight. Tesla claims a 0 to 60 mile per hour acceleration time of 20 seconds for a vehicle with a payload of 80,000 pounds. And as an empty vehicle, the Tesla Semi can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. Regular diesel trucks take 15 seconds to do the same sprint. In addition, the Tesla Semi can travel at 60 miles per hour with a cargo of 80,000 pounds up to a 5% gradient. The driving range of a semi-truck is crucial for professional long-haul truckers. Tesla has tackled the range of concerns thoroughly, at least on paper. A 300-mile range battery and a 500-mile range battery will be available for this vehicle. It stated that the energy usage is less than 2 kilowatt-hours per mile. Using Tesla's solar-powered mega chargers, the Semi can recharge to 400 miles of range in 30 minutes. Thus, provided the stated range and charging durations are true, the math would work out precisely without drivers waiting for their semis to charge for too long. Tesla hasn't yet disclosed the pricing of them to small fleet owners, although they are expected to cost between $150,000 and $180,000 unless prices get adjusted to match the current semi-truck prices. Tesla Robotaxi. Elon Musk has made yet another wild assertion. During the company's first quarter results conference call, he stated that the company would begin the mass production of a Robotaxi by 2024. He claims that this car would not have a steering wheel or pedals, but would drive itself using Tesla's full self-driving software, which is still in beta testing. The goal of the Robotaxi, according to Musk, is to achieve the lowest cost per mile for a taxi-like vehicle, and he claims that the ride in Tesla's Robotaxi will be less expensive than a subsidized public bus or subway fare. Musk refused to say if the Robotaxi will be available for purchase by the general public or used by Tesla for a dedicated transportation service. Although Tesla's modus operandi is to jump the gun with product releases, Musk remarked, "We don't want to jump the gun on an exciting product announcement yet." However, Musk did say that a product event next year would reveal many of the elements that are still unknown, such as the pricing, trim levels, and battery capacity. This isn't the first time Musk had hinted at a Tesla Robotaxis coming. Musk predicted in 2019 that a fleet of self-driving taxis would be available by 2020, and then he tweeted in April of 2020 that the Robotaxis might be operational that year, but that regulatory approval is the big unknown. Then everything was silent until the Gigafactory facility opened this month, 2 years after Musk's tweet, in which he also stated that the Cybertruck and Tesla Semi would be ready in 2023. Musk's assertion for Robotaxi production in 2024 is doubtful, to say the least. But as Musk stated in 2020, governmental clearance will be another challenge. The Robotaxi would be rated level 5 autonomous if it didn't have a steering wheel or pedals. Tesla van. Tesla's been secretly considering making an electric commercial van or minibus for some years now, and some time back, CEO Elon Musk discussed 2 additional areas Tesla's trying to electrify in Tesla Master Plan Part 2. Aside from consumer cars, 2 other electric vehicles are required: heavy-duty trucks and high-density urban transportation. Both are in the middle phases of development at Tesla and are expected to be unveiled in the next several years. Tesla eventually announced the Tesla Semi, a heavy-duty truck, but no vehicle for high-passenger density urban transportation. However, Musk had mentioned developing an electric minibus based on the Model X, but it never materialized. There were rumors that Tesla would build a van-like passenger car for Musk's Boring Company, but the tunnel-building business has instead relied on existing Tesla vehicles. Musk also stated in 2018 that it would be fascinating for Tesla to collaborate with Mercedes-Benz on an electric version of their iconic and flexible Sprinter van, but the relationship never materialized either. So Elon Musk was questioned about producing an electric van during the last year-end conference call, following many recent announcements from other businesses entering the market, including GM's BrightDrop. Tesla's CEO answered by stating that an electric van would be produced, but that it would be reliant on battery cell supply. Part of the problem will be solved by increasing their battery cell manufacture. Tesla stated that they intended to reach 10 gigawatt-hours of production capacity at its 4680 cell pilot facility in Fremont by the end of next year and deploy 100 gigawatt-hours of manufacturing capacity in Berlin and Texas. However, Tesla has yet to release the pricing, powertrain, range, and many other parameters about the commercial van, so we'll have to wait. Tesla Roadster. It's almost guaranteed that Tesla's second-generation Roadster would not be available until at least 2023 due to the delays experienced thus far. However, it will be a supercar that is a monster of a machine with enormous capability when it actually happens. For the first time since the introduction of the Roadster back in 2008, Tesla has introduced a supercar with a top speed of over 200 miles per hour, 1.9 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.2 seconds to get from 0 to 100, and a top speed of over 250 miles per hour and a range of up to 620 miles. A single charge can provide enough power to propel the Roadster tri-motor flagship model for more than 500 miles. Tesla's Roadster was originally intended to be released in 2022, but that date had been pushed back multiple times. On the other hand, manufacturing would not commence until 2023 as a result of supply chain constraints. But Elon Musk said that the Roadster would go into production in 2023, which implies it will come after the Cybertruck debut. Meanwhile, individuals who have paid a $50,000 deposit to reserve the car, expected to cost $200,000 for the base model, will actually have to suffer the consequences of the continuous delay. So we'll not lose hope and continue trusting in Tesla and Elon Musk. See you in the next video.